question very often asked is, how did I get into Vastu? Well, it's a long story, but आज आपको बताते हैं. It was way back in the late 80s when I was working for Philips India. I was living in Connaught Place with my parents. So on one Sunday, एक पंडित जी आए. वो आते थे हमारे पास. At that time, I was alone at home. Parents were not there. तो पंडित जी ने कहा कि बेटे चाय पिला दो. चलो पंडित जी के लिए हमने चाय बनवाई. And while we were waiting for the cup of tea, he came to my room and he says कि ये बेड को यहाँ से वहाँ कर लो और एक स्टडी टेबल थी, कहा कि इसको इधर से उधर कर लो. मैंने कहा पंडित जी क्या हो जाएगा इससे? He smiled and said कि कुछ नुकसान नहीं होगा. चलो हमने पंडित जी की बात सुन ली. उन्होंने चाय पी और पंडित जी चले गए. तो रात गई बात गई. I just forgot about what पंडित जी had said. Then many weeks later it just struck me कि should I follow what पंडित जी had said? तो एक संडे को बैठा हुआ था again and I said कि चलो आज कर लेते हैं. तो I reoriented my bed and the study table as was suggested. The room certainly looked better and I would say a little slightly bigger. And I was happy with the change, and that was it. A few months later, I realized that my career in Philips was skyrocketing. Everything that I did was just happening. I was getting all the recognition. My efforts were being recognized. And to top it all, it was during that time that I got the single largest order in the history of Philips lighting, probably worldwide, which was the Indo-Pakistan border lighting, which went on for many years. And me and my team were responsible for that tender. And हमने सोचा कि भाई ये शायद हमारी काबिलियत है. There was no attribute given to the any orientation which was done. खैर रिकग्निशन बड़ी मिली फिलिप्स के अंदर. काम बड़ा अच्छा हुआ. ऑर्डर चलता रहा. द कंपनी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. द बॉसेस वर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी. एंड इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस आई डिसाइडेड टू लीव द कंपनी. तो आई क्विट फिलिप्स. आई हैड अ बिजनेस सेंटर run by my wife, which I took over. I joined her and we were pretty comfortable. तो एक दिन मुझे ऐसी ख्याल आया कि ओरिएंटेशंस का कुछ था. Is there anything to do with the orientations? Now that thought started coming to me time and again, very often. कि क्या था ये? डायरेक्शंस का कुछ होता है, ओरिएंटेशंस का कुछ होता है. I actually got possessed with this thought कि ये कुछ तो है इसके बारे में, कुछ जरूर होएगा. And I started finding out कि what is it. That's when I realized and I came across कि there's a subject called Vastu Shastram, which was quite prevalent in South, but not so much in North. खैर उस टाइम इंटरनेट भी बड़ा शुरू ही हुआ था. कोई खास इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं थी. There were very few books. So whatever I could get my hands on, I started reading. And I realized कि वही वाकई ये सब्जेक्ट तो कुछ है. There is something in these directions. There is something in these orientations. There is something in the dimensions, etc. etc. बस फिर क्या हुआ? तो ये बात हुई कि early 90s की, maybe 91, 92. That my quest began कि what is वास्तु. और फिर हम लग गए इसके पीछे. इसके पीछे जब लग गए तो ये भी पता चला कि भाई it is not only to do with the external energies, because everything is energy. So whatever objects or colors that we talk about, we are talking about energy. And to understand energy, then I learnt Reiki, then I learnt pranic healing, firewalk key, and to top it all, I did the Silva mind control method. I was very fortunate and I would say very lucky that Jose Silva himself came to India once. And he conducted the Silva Ultra Mind Control, which I learned from him. And then I started amalgamating the energies which are in the external world as well as the energies which are inside us. तो यहाँ से शुरुआत हुई in let's say mid-90s about what is Vastu, what are these energies, how can we channelize the energies externally, and internally. And over a period of time I realized कि जो हमारा पहले था बड़ा ट्रेडिशनल वास्तु, उसमें हमारे 5 elements जो थे, they were the universal elements: fire, air, space, earth and water. अब जो कंटेम्प्रेरी वास्तु है उसमें एयर एंड स्पेस को नॉक ऑफ कर दिया और वहां पे आ गया वुड एंड मेटल. So we have water, wood, fire, earth and metal. These are the elements now. They are the same elements which is also used in Feng Shui. They are similar. तो ये चेंज बड़ी देखी हमने वास्तु में आते हुए कि पहले था कि डायमेंशंस एंड एलिवेशंस एटसेट्रा वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ इट इज dimensions not so much, but you see you have the placements, you have colors and you have other things which are of great importance and they work very well. So iske saath during the journey also understood not only what Vastu is but all the allied sciences or subjects to it, which is astrology, numerology, pyramidology, palmistry. ये सब को पढ़ा to understand the subject better. And now over the years one started with in a very humble way, but today God is kind. There are clients which are all over, from individuals to multinationals. सारे टाइप के आजकल clients हैं, all very happy. They've been with me for the last 15-20 years. नए भी जुड़ते रहते हैं. तो ये सब्जेक्ट है बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग. It is very deep. It is very effective. एंड मैं सबसे यही कहता हूं कि देखिए जो एक्सटर्नल है, वॉट एवर इज नोन एज वास्तु, दैट इज द एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड, वॉट वी सी. टू पुट दैट इन ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टू बैलेंस दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट साइमल्टेनियसली when you balance your internal vastu, when you balance the energies inside, the desired results manifest much faster. So my practice today of Vastu has taken me to the corporate world, where it is not only Vastu but I also conduct motivational seminars, mind control seminars. Vastu तो हम follow करते ही हैं, but overall it's been a fantastic journey over the last 25 plus years. Very happy to have the clients which I have. The clients are also very happy. And I hope you also get inspired, if you are not already following Vastu, that you do start following it. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. Bye bye and take care.